Welcome back. Today I share on how to create a ZFS storage pool in Proxmox VE. Please stay tuned. To create a ZFS storage pool, you need to have at a minimum of 2 hard drives, 4 ZFS RAID 1. If you want to create a RAID 5 or RAID Z, you will need at least 3 or more hard drives. The RAID level configuration all depends on your requirement. There are many options available, but I will show on how to create a simple RAID Z level. Now let's get started. Firstly, select the node you want, and then select ZFS options. Next, click on the Create ZFS button. Wait for a moment while Proxmox detects all the available hard drives. Create a name for the ZFS storage. In my case, I will just name it as VM_pool. Next is to select the RAID level. Click on the RAID level drop-down and select the RAID level you want. In my case, I am selecting the RAID Z. RAID Z is similar to RAID 5. Then you need to specify which hard drives to use for this storage pool. Just click on the empty checkbox to select the hard drives you want to use. Once the hard drives is selected, next is to click the Create button. This process will take a while, please be patient. When completed, you will now see a new storage pool listed in the summary view. Now, select the newly created storage pool and click on the Detail button to view more information. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.